glass in the face. Rolex fucking at my eyesight, I make your ass look away. Fuck it if they put a bag on my head, I'll put a bag on your face. Baby, you ain't gotta take a cab, nah, I'll put your ass in the rave.
YouTube, it's your boy Now, and I'm here with my boy ZBTV.
Is whenever they say the kids eat first. I'm not considered a kid anymore. No, matter of fact, no, because that don't even happen in my family anymore. It'd be like the adults eat first.
Hey yo, what the fuck? That's a lot of pressure. He's lit. So go like, comment, and subscribe to my boy's channel, you know what I'm saying? He's got a birthday vlog. Wish him a happy birthday. This was his birthday cut. Today we're gonna be doing a low drop fade tutorial, and that's about it. Stay tuned. Here I'm just basically combing the hair through and making sure everything is lifted before I go in with my 1.5 guard closed all the way around his head, except in the crown area. I left the lever open on that one just so it was a little bit thicker. Now, because I'm doing a drop fade on a waver, I'm going to keep it dark around the hairline and just make sure that I keep my guideline real low. So I'm going with my FX clippers, my Babyless FX clippers, and just creating my first initial guideline, bringing it in front of the ear, above the ear, and then dropping it back below the ear before I clean it up with my trimmers to make it bald. Once the ball guideline is complete, I'm going to go in with my clippers with the lever open and create that second guideline. So here's my last step of my guidelines, basically just debulking the top with my 1.5 guard closed before I go back with my 1 guard open, then 1 guard closed, 0.5 guard open, 0.5 guard closed, and then work my way back down until I get the ball guideline out. Sometimes if I see things that I know that I didn't get with the clippers, I go back with my comb just because I know I can clean up some things easier with a comb. When doing the other side, make sure that you're following the same steps so that you don't get two sides that look completely different. To prepare the hairline better for being shaped up, I just go in with my 1 guard and knock it down a little bit. I always like to spray the hair with hairspray before I shape them up, just because it makes the ash line better, one, and it also makes you able to get a more precise hit on the hairs because it doesn't leave them loose and straggly. As you can see, I've gotten the hairline as straight as I can without enhancements. So now I'm gonna go in with my Kiss Express dye before I back it up with Topic, just because he has a real light spot and the Topic makes it look more natural in that area. After locking in the hair fibers, I just go in with my Barber Magic pencil. I use the tan one because he's not light skinned or white. It just makes it look more natural on people with brown or darker skins. And then I go in with my trimmers to just basically rub it in before I straight razor. This shot came out crazy, but for real, I'm just going in with my straight razor at a 45-degree angle while using my offhand to stretch the skin. To finish this cut off, I go in with my shears and just clean off all the frizzy hairs on his head to give it that finished look.
What's it? Ugh. Ooh. Oh yes, sir. Oh yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I'm saying, how the bag looking?
Oh yes, sir. Feel me?
Man, I try not to cut off too much waves.
You know what I'm saying? Oh yes. This is heat. Yes, sir.
How you feeling?
Feel blessed, you know the vibes. You know what I'm saying?
You heard it here.
You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying?
You feel blessed.
You know the vibe.
Go follow my boy at ZBTV. I'm gonna link it in the description below. You dig.
You dig.